Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield. This is day 10 of my challenge, putting videos every day for 30 days through November. Yeah, I've kept up to it so far. Yesterday's one, day 9, was only a time lapse because I was in uni all day and then I had work that night, so I didn't really have time to get out and make anything. So while I was in uni, I'd done a time lapse of Bramley-Moore. It was a 4-hour time lapse condensed into 26 seconds, I think it was, and then in editing I was able to get to 1 minute 44, just under 2 minutes. Anyway, so on today's video now anyway, at Anfield for the Anfield Roads expansion. Loads of work going on, I can hear it going on. It looks though it's all on the lower levels, but we'll have a look across the top. We'll have a look down here as much as we can, see what's going on. I'm sure that piece is new. I can't remember seeing that last week. Just there, well, maybe I missed it because there's something else I missed last week as well. So I'll get over there now and have a look at it. Also, we'll have a chat about the story that's gaining traction, and that's about Liverpool being up for sale, or people looking for investment, whatever. But I think it's a sale. So what I did miss was, even though I filmed it, I didn't mention it, and it's these two front spans here are being joined up. And if you look at the plans, I'll try and get a picture on now. It shows that they're all joining right across, so there's going to be 2 more going on. Each end, and they're all going to join together to form the front of the roof. Okay, so let's have a look down, because we've got some more panelling going on there, and since last time, pretty sure it is. A little bit higher to get it all in. Yeah, pretty sure there's more panelling going on there. Let's scan down. Now, I said last time that I couldn't see people working on the top of the roof, and when I got back into editing, there clearly was loads of people on the roof. So again, I can't see people on the roof, but are they there? You used to be able to see the little the high visors, like little doozers off Fraggle Rock. So make sure I'm a little bit more above that crane, just so I'm not in any danger of hitting anything. Oh yeah, there's people. Yeah, there's someone walking there at the back. So here's the high visors that give it away. I can hear people talking, but they're on the lower levels. Now, so it broke the other day that Liverpool were up for sale, and then people commented saying, well, Liverpool aren't up for sale, that they're looking for investment. I think they're just saying they're looking for investment, but I think if someone comes in with between £3.5 billion and £5 billion offer, the club's gone. I can tell you that for now. Now, I've supported football long enough to know money talks. Now, I'll give FSG the due. They've done a lot for the club. They've okay, they only paid 300 million for us, but at the time it was a lot of money. We were weeks away from administration, so we could have been absolutely nothing right now if it wasn't for FSG. So I'll give them the due for that, for saving us. Well, when I get down and have a little look under here, I can't, so I'm not going to get low enough. Okay. Yeah, so they done it a lot to save us, and look at the success they brought in 12 years. Premier League title, Champions League, FA Cup, League Cups, World Club Cup. They brought loads to us. There's people down on the pitch there. I wonder what's going on down there, if they're on the pitch. There's no stadium tours allowed on the pitch. Yeah, so and now it's coming out with the word that there's quite a few people interested in buying. 4 of them are from the Middle East, I think. 3 of them are from America, so I think there's 7 interested. It's actually behind me. Hope it doesn't affect the audio. Yeah, so we'll just see how that progresses. So I'm gonna be mentioning that quite a lot, to be fair, in my videos, because it's something that's gonna be of interest to a lot of people. Yeah, so I can't get right down below the stand and have a look in, so I'll go down the side. You know, people like that view, he says. I'll get on the side and drop down. Nothing in my way there. Drop down, have a look inside the stands. So it's going to be interesting to see who buys us, and it's all down to, you know, the ethical question if you want someone from the Middle East to invest. But if you want to compete, that's where the money is. You know, you've got to be honest with yourself as well. So if we get an American owner, it's going to be run more as a business. If we get a Middle Eastern owner, it's going to be run as a play thing. So there's a good little look inside there. So stands coming on great. Again, we got one more game before the World Cup. That is Southampton on Saturday, and then we'll see what kind of work goes on. There's talk of the roof not coming off now, and I did say that about cranes going on the pitch when it's a brand new pitch still, isn't it? We're in November. The League One starts in August, so they paid £600,000 for the pitch. They're not going to put cranes on that pitch. And okay, they're going to put all kinds of measures in order to make sure the pitch is alright, but still, things can fail. But we'll just see. Be interesting if the roof did come off, if I'm being honest. Just get a look down here. Just get it. So I'm just going to stay still here. So I'm going to do a load of zoom ins to each block here. So have a good look in. I can't look through because I can't see. It's only when I'm editing that I can see what's actually going on. I can see from the ground here. There's so that far right block there's a couple of guys. I can see glass going. No, I can't see glass going. I can see right through. I can see doorways and stuff. Yeah, I can see the steel through the doorways in that one. Third line, there's quite a few guys in that one there, in that fourth one along. So I don't know what's going on there. As I'm taking a walk along, I can see that green crane is outstretching. Yeah, I'll zoom into a couple more. There doesn't seem to be a lot more going on. It all seems to be on this right hand side. Okay. Well, let's have a look at these parts up here, because I can't see anything from the ground. Okay, so just a little zoom into them. Let's get above the crane and we'll go do a pan down of the ground. So yeah, if anyone's got any more input on what you think about the potential takeover now from someone, because this is this gathering momentum now, and you know what, this news isn't going to go away, so I will bring it up in most videos. Unless there's no new developments. But since it was announced, there's been quite a lot of talk of who might take over. The Dubai royal family, they're worth 150 billion. The IC, they tried buying us a few times. The guy, the Man United fan, I think he's dropped his interest in, not just in Liverpool, but in purchasing any Premier League football club. He said that he doesn't think it's a shrewd investment now, which it's not if you're going to run a business. Your outlay is going to be £3.5 to £5 billion. It's going to take a lot of time to get that money back, if you get it back. Oh, that'll scan down there. Yeah, so I think it's going to come from the Middle East. Any investments or purchase of the club will come from the Middle East. Right guys, I'm going to leave this there. There's not much more I can add. Just show the latest progress and my thoughts on the sale of the club. So, thank you all for watching. Please, if you like the video, subscribe. We're on day 10 of my challenge to help out grassroots football clubs. The money's building up. I'll put it on the 1st of December how much I earned through November, and yeah, at the moment it's looking healthy. So yeah, thank you for the support. Grassroots football will thank you as well at the end of this month. So I'll speak to you all in the next one. I'll be putting a video on tomorrow. It won't be Liverpool house here, it'll be Bramley Moor probably. Loads of work going on down there. I'll speak to you all soon.